Okay, so this next question here, which is the second question in this little set here, we're still looking at the same scenario here. During an air show, the path of a stunt dive of a jet can be modeled by the function h of t is equal to t squared minus 9t plus 81. And that h of t is going to represent the height in meters above the ground after t seconds. The end of the stunt occurs at its starting height. Okay, now question 9 here says the total time taken for the stunt is. Well, okay, what we need to do here is we need to figure out ultimately the time. But what we got to understand from this is that means that you must have been given some information about the height. So h of t is equal to t squared minus 9t plus 81. And it says here at the end here, the end of the stunt occurs at its starting height. Well, what was its starting height? Well, let's plug 0 in for t and see what we get. Well, 0 squared minus 9 times 0 plus 81. Okay, well, when you're looking for the initial height, plugging in a 0, basically everything here disappears except for the constant. So that means the starting height of this dive, this stunt dive, was 81. Okay, well, let's plug 81 into the original equation. Maybe I'll do that back over here. We'll plug 81 in. And so now that's going to be 81 is equal to t squared minus 9t plus 81. Now what I want to do is solve for t. Well, what's nice about that is I can subtract 81 from both sides to get 0. And then I get this nice, cute little quadratic here. And all I really got to do here is factor out the common t. And now I've got two situations here. The only way that product can equal 0 is either if t is equal to 0, which in this case makes really not much sense. How long did it take to do the stunt? 0 seconds. Yeah. Or t minus 9 is equal to 0, which means t is equal to 9. That makes way more sense. The answer is B, 9 seconds.